Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southwest on Marley Boulevard towards Ken Boothe Close in Cooreville Gardens, Kingston 20, St. Andrew Parish. The community of Cooreville Gardens, located off Washington Boulevard, was named for David Coor, Jamaica's Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Finance in the 1970s. Marley Boulevard continues left, but we are turning onto Ken Boothe Close. On the right is Lois Path. Also here on the right is Joe-Gibbs Path. Derek Evan, who was working with the Minister of Housing, Anthony Spalding, at the time, said the streets were named for artists in recognition of their contribution in music and the theatre. And Ken Boothe Close is named after Kenneth George Boothe OD. Kenneth George Boothe OD, born the 22nd of March 1948, is a Jamaican vocalist known for his distinctive vibrato and timbre. Ken Boothe was born in Denham Town, Kingston. He attended Denham Town Primary Elementary School, and during this period developed an interest in music after receiving encouragement from his eldest sister, Hyacinth Clover, who was an established vocalist. He had almost immediate success with the song "The Train Is Coming", on which he was backed by the Wailers. Boothe had a hit in the UK singles chart during the 1970s. In 1995, a version of "The Train Is Coming", reworked with Shaggy, was used in the soundtrack for the film Money Train. Ken Boothe Close ends, and we are turning back towards Marley Boulevard. Boothe was awarded the Order of Distinction for his contribution to Jamaican music by the Jamaican government in 2003. Again, on the left is Joe-Gibbs Path. Here, on the left is Lois Path. We are back at Marley Boulevard. Turning off Ken Boothe Close, onto Bob Marley Boulevard. On the right is Mystic Mews. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.